how to turn on or off updates posted by your Facebook friends on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off updates posted by your Likee by your Facebook friends, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Likee. Once you are on For You page, click on those three lines up there and click on Setting. And now you have notifications, click on it. Like you see the second option, which is videos from Facebook friends and contacts. Once you turn on, you will be notified about updates posted by your Facebook friends and mobile contacts. Turn off this option if you don't want that. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.